Okay, this is Bravo 1, the first group, first colony. We're going to add a super, a honey super. So we'll take off the top cover, the feeder. We'll add the super, well, we'll add the queen excluder. I know some say leave the queen excluder off for a short period, then put it on, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on, and I'll give the girls an incentive to come up because I'll fill the top feeder and put that back on.
Hello.
So that's what we'll end up doing.
The video you're about to see is extremely dangerous stunt, so I'd like none of you at home to try and copy.
The smoker is not so good. I'll have to get another one. But we'll do the best we can with it while we're out here. We've had a lot of rain past few days and it is very muddy. The bees don't mind, but yeah, it's a thing. These sticks were in to help tilt it. I actually have shims, and I'll put the shims under here when I'm done. I'll use 2 shims on each side, and that'll keep everybody happy. And again, it's to keep the water from accumulating inside. Right, that's that. And the top feeder is dry. They're not built. There were a couple of bees on top, but so they managed to get. I see where they were able to get past the screen. So I'll get a piece of a stick and wedge it in between the screen. It may last. It may be a temporary thing. They'll find a way to munch through it, but the idea is to keep them from. And these cats are building comb right up the center. Actually, they're building comb everywhere from where I can see, so yeah. Yeah, it's time to add a honey super. They're expanding. Really calm. They're just hanging out here. I'm loving this. And they're building comb. So this is the second brood box I put on, and I can see they're building comb on the outer edges, the last ones, which I had added. So these Bunk's bees are doing it. So with the second brood box, and I'm not going to pull these up now, I'll wait another week, but it's rather clear that they're building comb on all 8 frames, and they were building them on all the bottom ones as well, so I think I made a good choice about adding a honey super on this one. But with the idea of the queen, we're going to go ahead and shake some of these girls off. My smoker might have done some good to get these girls off. But since I broke the top, I just have to work it this way. Once again, biggest concern is that the queen is here. So I'll spend a second here looking for her. The queen and this Bunk's bees are unmarked, so I'm looking for a slightly larger female. And I think we'll go ahead and get the smoker out. See if I can convince the rest of these guys to leave. So that little bit of smoke caused the rest of them to go ahead and seek shelter, which is perfect. Okay, all right, so we're going with the idea that this is the super, the honey super. And like before, I'm going to spray the frames. Small encouragement for them to come up and explore the new frames. And they've already started building honeycomb, so why not? Now I'm aligning the frames. And I'm only putting 5 frames in. Frames are aligned, queen excluders on. All right, a pollen patty on top. So there'll be two enticements for them to come up. One, the pollen patty, and the other will be the syrup in the very top. So I took the pollen patty and sliced it. Those things are big. And they'll consume most of this, I'm sure. They have in the past, so feeling pretty good about what they'll do here. That's it. We have the honey super on, the queen excluder. I put 5 frames in. I stand corrected, 6 frames. And we're going to get a couple of these cats out. Idea is to have nobody in the top when I put the other top on. That's it, looks good. And I see one area they might try to squeeze through. So I'm using a small piece of stick that I found. Try to block it. And that looks good. Okay, top is coming on. I trust a few bees are going to come up anyway, but I want to do what I can to make sure the bulk of them do not come through there. Not trying to purposely drown any bees. The shims are on, so we have 2 brood boxes, a super, well, 2 brood boxes, a honey queen excluder, super feeder, and our top. We're good. Bunk's bees, the Bravo 1 colony is looking really good. They're the oldest colony, so to speak. Yeah, it'd be nice to come out when it's dry, not stick to the spot you're in. To give them all the encouragement I can, I'm going to fill the Boardman feeder. Okay, that looks good. So, Bravo 2 Boardman feeder is filled. I'll fill up Bravo 3, but other than that, we're good to go. Hopefully, some honey from Bravo 1 here in the next couple of months.